Today we have with us one of the latest laptops that was launched by Asus recently in India. This is the Asus VivoBook X507. There are multiple variants available in the market. This one is the Core i3 variant, which comes with 4 gigs of RAM and available for 27,990, where you can also get 3,000 cash back on Paytm Mall, so you will effectively get it under 25,000 Indian rupees. So in this video we are going to do the unboxing, talk about its features and our first impressions. We already did the unboxing once, so we have connected the adapter, and as you can see you get this standard adapter which goes into your wall socket for charging your laptop, and then you get this power cord as well. And then finally you have this Asus VivoBook X507. It will be available in two different colors, the gold and the gray. We have the gray variant with us, and the laptop feels really light in weight. It weighs around 1.68 kg, and we will be talking more about its boards, its weight and other features in a minute. So besides that, you do get some manuals in the box. So you have the user manual, some warranty information, etc. available in this box, and that's pretty much it. You get the laptop and the solution to charge it. So here is the Asus VivoBook X507, and this is the gray variant. It comes with this brushed metal finish on the lid and rubber pads on the bottom side. Talking about its overall design and build quality first, we really found this laptop to be light in weight. It weighs just 1.68 kg, just under 1.7 kg. Feels nice in hand, and due to the brushed metal finish on the top, it still feels like a slightly premium laptop at an affordable segment. If we talk about the ports and the buttons, so you have all the ports either on the right or on the left. On the right side you have a USB port, then you have a slot to lock the laptop in case you use it in public places. On the left side you have HDMI port, a normal headphone jack, a micro SD card reader, then you have two more USB port and the charging port or the power socket. On the bottom side you have some vents, and then you have these rubber pads along with speaker outlet. So in terms of design and build quality, we don't have any complaints, and even though it costs under 25,000 Indian rupees and starts at 22,000 Indian rupees, this laptop does not look or feel cheap in nature. The laptop comes with a 15.6-inch Full HD display, and this is a Nano Edge display, so you get 8.1mm thick side bezels. We will be talking more about the display, but then you have this full-size keyboard. The number pad is slightly crammed up, but you do have ample of spacing between the keys. And then you get this trackpad which also supports gesture, so you can use multi-touch gestures over here, and it has a fingerprint sensor as well, so you can secure your laptop using biometric fingerprints. We tried typing on this laptop and the experience was really nice. The keys are well spaced out and we don't have any complaints. In addition to that, you also get the slightly crammed up number pad on the right side, but yes, it is there. In terms of display, you get this 15.6-inch Full HD display, which is a good thing. There might be variants where you can get the HD display and it will be available at a lower price tag, but under 25,000 this Full HD display seems to be really nice. The display comes with Asus True to Life technology along with Asus Splendid technology, and has color gamut management and color temperature correction. Along with that, they have user friendly modes like eye care mode, normal mode, vivid mode, manual mode, etc. for the display, so you can adjust the display settings easily according to your preferences. Talking about the hardware that is powering this laptop, so you get Core i3 which is being used in this laptop, and then you have multiple variants where you can get higher RAM configuration, better graphics card, etc. This particular model has Core i3, which is the 6th generation Core i3, and it comes with 4 gigs of RAM and integrated graphics card on board. In addition, you get 1 terabyte of storage on this laptop, so you won't be running out of storage anytime soon. And you also get the Windows 10 operating system installed on this laptop. So under 25,000, sometimes you do get DOS operating system, but not here. Company has opted for Windows 10. Talking about other features, the laptop comes with built-in stereo 2-watt speakers and microphone, and Asus Sonic Master technology, so you can get better overall sound experience from the laptop. Now coming to one of the main features of the laptop, battery. So it has a 33 watt hours battery. It's a lithium polymer 2-cell battery, and the company says that it has fast charging, so you can get 60% battery in just 49 minutes. Additionally, you also get the Asus battery health charging option, which ensures that you get up to 3 times longer battery lifespan as compared to traditional laptop batteries. So overall, under 25,000 Indian rupees, our first impressions are positive about this laptop. It seems to be a good affordable solution from the company, and we will be talking more about this laptop in our upcoming videos. Till then, stay tuned and do let us know what you want us to test on this laptop. Thanks for watching.